This is a 2006 BMW Z4. We purchased it used and the cowl is all bubbly here and cracked. So we're gonna replace it because we don't want water getting down there where it shouldn't be. The cowl extends down into the engine compartment. The windshield wiper comes up through it. It's held on with 4 screws and 8 clips, which we'll show you on the replacement part. And you see all the clips. There's 4 clips on each side of it. The windshield washer arm has a dust cover. We're using a size 16 socket. We do not have a windshield wiper arm puller, but we have this other type of puller. So we latched it to the bottom and it worked. Remove the hose from that clamp. When you remove it, make sure all hoses and wires are untrapped. We have to transfer these 2 clips here.
Where's one?
You just squeeze and push them through. Note that these wiper shields are built in to the new cowl, so you may have to take off the old ones. When taking the old one off, these popped off, but it's built into the new piece. Here's our old piece. Make sure all the white clips pop off and don't stay stuck on the car. Here's our new piece. It's upside down. Make sure you have all 8 white clips, and make sure this trench here gets lined up with this metal fin here. Runs pretty much the full length of the piece. Make sure you have all 4 clips here. 1, 2, 3, and 1 down there on the end. Last but not least, make sure you've transferred these 2 clips. You have to carefully line it up. We're going to put our trim back on. Note the R and the L, right and left. The L for left is from the perspective as if you were inside the car. And we're in the US, so in the United States, it's going to be on the driver's side. And our finished product. Absolutely beautiful, nice tight seal. Makes the car look a lot newer. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you.